welcome to tonight's video. We got Wifey-chan with us. She's all short and hiding in the background. But as you can probably gather, we're at Daikoku PA tonight. Look at this beautiful 34. Man, if only the 33.4 looked that good. So we're obviously gonna check out some cool cars and show you guys true Japanese car culture. So let's take a look. It's pretty weird seeing a Tesla here. I don't know if I can get used to this anytime soon. Although I have seen some pretty cool modified ones and neons and stuff like that. Nice. Fair few cool cars in this aisle. We got a 33, got a Civic, Chaser, 32, S15, 34 GTR, A80 Supra, all the good ones. Let's go over into the next lane. There's a nice shiny blue Ferrari there. Ooh, that looks good. Man, so many cool cars. Oh, it's this guy again. He just looped it. All right, mate. Are you looking for 8.6s tonight? You on the hunt?
Yes.
All right, hunting for an 8.6. What about a Supra? Wouldn't you rather a Supra? No, your first car should be something I don't care about if you break.
Yeah, I think Supra would be too expensive for me to ride and crash.
Nice 35. Little dry carbon wing too.
How about a Mini Cooper?
A meaty Cooper? Is that what you said?
I said Mini.
A Mini Cooper? We can make a Mini Cooper meaty. What is going on with this Supra? What? All right, we gotta find the owner for this thing. Where did he go? Taking a quick moment to tell you about today's video sponsor, which is Dafsky. And as you can see behind me, we are at the park to check out the beautiful sakura trees in full bloom. And here's the best thing. Dafsky is an online store dedicated to selling only the coolest and sickest air fresheners for your ride. And we collaborated together to bring you a Japanese authentic sakura scented air freshener for your car. This clips onto your AC vent, and as you can see, the S15 and the sakura trees are there in the background. It's super cool. I hope you guys love it. Dafsky also has an all-new anime series on their website with all your favorite anime characters. Head to dafsky.com, go grab yourself some, as well as some of the other air fresheners, and your car can start smelling like it does right here in this park right now. The sakura is seriously amazing. If you don't know what it is, it's the cherry blossom trees here in Japan, and it's a huge seasonal thing. And it pretty much, I mean, I don't know if you can see behind me, but you can see a lot of people under them drinking and having parties with friends and stuff. It's a huge cultural thing. With that, guys, let's get back to the video. So we found the owner of this peculiar, interesting Supra, to say the least. This is Ramin. And bro, you gotta tell me what's going on here.
Yeah, so basically, I don't know what you call it. It's sequential turbo. Like, okay. It's compound turbo.
Yep.
So the air is pressurized 2 times. So first goes
through the smaller one here, right?
Yes, exactly. Then it goes to the bigger one. So
yeah,
it helps to build up the boost faster.
Yeah, so less turbo lag, but you get the benefits of a big turbo.
Yes, exactly. So the one over there on the top is actually big.
Yeah.
So some guys
T78. Wow.
Yes, they do the drag. It's okay to do with only single turbo, but
yeah,
it's laggy. But
yeah.
Car doesn't have the lag at all.
That's amazing. And what kind of turbo is this one here? The smaller one?
This one is HKS. I don't know, GT 3240 or
okay.
something.
Yeah, it does look like it's got a much smaller rear housing.
Yeah.
So that would be like your kind of like, that would give you the initial boost, yeah.
Yes, exactly. So and the engine itself, it's kind of stroked out.
Okay, so stroker engine?
Yes, so 3.1 with the HKS pistons and
so forged internals?
Forged internals.
That's amazing.
Yeah, thanks.
So what kind of boost level does this run? How many like bar of boost?
So for now it runs about 1.8 bar.
1.8?
Yeah,
that's a lot.
But it makes around 800.
800 horsepower?
Yeah, but if you boost it up to 2 bars, it makes around 900.
Around 900 at 2 bar. That's incredible. Forward-facing intake manifold using the stock runners. Hey, using a Nissan throttle body.
Yeah,
can we talk about how you needed Nissan parts for your Toyota to go fast?
So, that's kind of famous setup.
Yeah, Q45 throttle body. Yeah.
It's for Infinity.
The Infinity throttle body. A lot of D1 guys use that very same throttle body on their 2JZs.
Yeah. It's kind of similar. It's kind of popular setup for this kind of car. So.
And what kind of ECU package do you have? Aftermarket?
Yes, it's FCON V Pro.
FCON V Pro. Okay.
The gold one, the slim one. Yeah.
Dude, this is so cool. I bet you it sounds insane.
Yeah. but it's not that loud. Do you want to take the sound if you want?
Oh no, it's okay. I was just wondering, like turbo sound wise, does it sound cool? Like turbo surge and stuff?
Yeah, it's especially in the tunnels.
In the tunnels? The sound of my people can be heard in the tunnel. So cool, dude. This is, oh man, it's so rare to see this kind of stuff in Japan. And obviously you've got a custom one-off bonnet for this too.
Yes, exactly.
That would have...
This is the custom hood that compensate the area which needed for the turbo.
When I saw this, I was like, something's up here. I was like, why is there a Greddy turbo on the top?
Yeah.
So cool. I love that it looks fairly clean too. Like it's not like, doesn't have a crazy aero kit on it.
Yeah, it's basically kind of normal. So
it's like like what is that? Like factory TRD aero?
No, this is the Dulux.
Okay.
It's a factory. So the front is Dulux.
Okay.
And the sides also are Dulux as well. So,
oh, cool.
So
Dulux front and sides, if you didn't hear that. And what's the wing? Just OEM?
it's TRD.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
It's so nice.
Yeah, thank you.
From the rear, you would have no idea.
Yes, exactly. Only the front side is.
Can a Supra be a sleeper still? I don't think so, but if this was a sleeper, it definitely looks like it.
It depends on the definition of sleeper on the Supra.
Yeah. That's so cool, man. Well, thank you for letting us check out your car, man. Sure. There's a super clean chaser here. Wow. 33 GTR wheels too, but don't touch this thing. Man, that is nice. 17s do look good on these. It's pretty low though. Nah. Can you get a chaser? It's probably the safest car for you to get. They're tanks. Clean Evo. Say Evo 5, I think. Maybe a 6 actually. Yeah, I think it's a 6. Very nice. Wheel choice, pretty good. Hey. Nice. Another JZX100 rolling in. Cresta. 34 GTR. Another chaser. S15. Ferrari. Do you like these cars, May?
Maybe not now, but maybe later.
Ew, really? This old Alfa Romeo is pretty cool. Hey, May. Isn't that the car you want right there? You want an 8.6 right for your first car? Hey.
What color shirt?
Whoa. We have a very important announcement, don't we?
Oh.
Don't we?
Oh, yes.
Do you want to tell the people?
Yes.
Nice beard, by the way.
Huh?
The mask looks like you have a beard.
Yeah, thanks. It's my new beard.
All right, tell the people the news.
I finally applied for my driver's school. So within this year, I'm gonna get my driver's license.
Yeah,
for manual.
So in a few months, May should be driving on the streets of Tokyo, learning.
Yeah.
And I'll let you guys know the date of that so you can all make sure if you're in Japan to stay off the streets so you don't get killed. Also, at some point, I'm going to use her iPhone in the GPS tracker, and we're going to find her when she's getting trained and taught in a car, and we're going to stalk her and follow her and film it for the vlog. I think it's going to be hilarious, although her instructor's going to think I'm like road raging her.
Call the police on you.
Well, I mean, it'll just be even funnier for the vlog. I'll put a chest like GoPro mount on. It'll be great.
Oh no. But maybe by the end of the year, I would be able to do some burnouts.
What do you mean end of the year? I'm going to teach you before you even go to your driver's school how to do a burnout.
No.
What about this one, May? That's a nice blue one. What are you going? White, blue?
Huh?
Color for your 8.6.
I don't know what my color. I want my color to be.
You don't know what you want your color to be?
Oh, sorry, no.
Yo, look at this E36. EK Civic with a light little bit of a toucher. It's kind of nice and modest. MR2, A80 Supra. Got a V35 Skyline with some kind of like sucker on the side. I appreciate that. That reminds me of my guy Marcus's old car, but he had the Infinity version of the 35. A80 Supra. It's pretty cool. Another GTR. Yummy. Another MR2 SW20. We got a Koki here. All right, May, answer the question for everyone. Well, it's not really a question. It's more correction we're bringing everyone. Koki or cookie?
It's Koki.
Koki. But everyone says Zenki, right? Hey.
Zenki wa.
Yeah. So how come you called a Koki a cookie?
I don't know. You know
Yeah.
what cookie is?
Yeah, Cookie's a cookie, like Cookie
No,
Monster.
Cookie is BTS Jungkook's nickname.
Oh my
Cookie.
gosh. You guys know that I've been explaining to you about how there's a huge like subculture growing here of American classics taking over in Japan. And unfortunately, I know the Japanese government actually like knuckled down on it. And from what I understand is you can't bring them over as easy anymore. This thing is weird. From here, if you don't look closely, it almost looks like a Hachiroku until you notice 4 doors. I think it's the older Prelude. I'm not too sure though. This thing, I saw this thing rolling with hydraulics before, bouncing around. It was cool. Just keep walking, see what else we find. Nice 34 GT in active red. It's pretty cool. Over here we got an RX-8. Then we got a 34 GT with that Urus front bumper. I've never really understood this style of front bumper, but Urus like sells them like crazy. We got a GTT with a GTR front bar. It's cool. Over here we got this really nice 33 GTST. I'm more excited about this Eclipse. So rare to see these over here in Japan, especially left-hand drive. Very cool. Super clean too. You look good next to it. Such a weird car. Evo drivetrain, right? I think. I don't know too much about Eclipses. They were never in Australia or over here. Really. It's pretty cool. And we got this really nice looking Every. I wonder whose that is. Porsche. Yo, that's a clean looking S15 there. That style front bumper always throws me off on these though. It's kind of crazy to see this thing here. Left-hand drive, of course. This thing is so nice. May, do you want it to tell Altezza? I know you like this color pink, so it's like
JZ too, right?
yeah, you can fit a 2JZ in these really easily. You can also put a Beams motor in it, 1J. It's
Maybe that's my drifting car.
Your drifting car, an Altezza? I don't know, guys who own Altezzas, are they like as robust as a Chaser? Like when you hit a Chaser, things bounce off a Chaser. Do things bounce off Altezzas? I feel like these are kind of like the S chassis into the Toyota world.
Hold on.
So maybe not. Definitely a lot of Ferraris here tonight, more than usual. Interesting Civic Type R. Not a fan of the front end of the new models, hey. They don't do it for me. May, oh my God. May, you see that?
What?
You see it? It's a BMW. It's a Supra. Oh, that's cringe as hell. Yo, that is a clean RX-7 FD. Whew. Isn't that a nice little NA6 Miata or Roadster or MX-5? I wish I owned one of these. I wish I owned one of those, hey. Yo, this RX-8 is on the ground. Hey, May, remember when you wanted an RX-8? Remember when you wanted an RX-8?
We can still afford one, right?
Wow, two-tone S13. This thing is nice. And it is low, period correct wheels. So nice. Next to a, oh, this looks so good. This is totally like the kind of RX-7 I would build. I just love the aero and stuff on this. It's kind of like, it's like very OEM, but still a little bit of flair to it. It's nice. Love it. Not so keen on that weird gauge cluster pod he's got in there. It's like Workmeisters with nowhere near like the deep dish you normally expect on Workmeisters.
Double lip.
A double lip. It kind of does have a double lip. It's like a step up, honestly, that one. This is so clean. If I ever get an S13, I want one of these just without the sunroof because I never want to worry about potential rust issues in the future. They scare me, sunroofs in 90s cars. Compound turbo Supra's leaving. It just sounds like a normal 2JZ. You would not know that that thing's got a compound turbo setup. So cool. I just found this Beetle on the ground. Mate, isn't he cute? Yeah, Japanese girls, man. Do you want it?
Nah.
What's wrong with you? It's just a Beetle. It's just a Beetle. Yeah, look at this guy. He's a man. He's got it.
Bro.
Teaching these guys.
It was just here.
Hey, show it to her. Show it to her. So Koda's girlfriend's over here. Let's see how she reacts. すいません。好きですか? Yo, this thing's clean. I don't see too many of these done up like this over here, to be honest. Let's watch this guy bottom out. Oh, he sent it. Oof. Oof. Now this guy. Oh, he's well and truly high enough. Oh, nearly. Had to come up to the top here just to get a look at how many cars are here tonight. It is definitely a full meet. So good. I'm so happy that things are kind of coming back to normal again here at the car culture. So good. I wonder if we're going to see any drifting tonight on this corner. Would be cool. Normally they don't start till late though, like normally from like 11ish to like midnight, 1 a.m. is normally when it happens. But every Friday for the last few weeks, there's been drifting here at around 11:30 to midnight. May, I just found the rarest car in Japan. The rarest car. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, bro! We got ourselves a Safari. These are so rare. And look, look. There's no pole in the side of it. And it's not in a ditch, bruh. Oh my gosh, how did this one not end up in New Zealand in a ditch or around a pole? Oh my gosh. Bro, the rarest car here tonight. Wow. This RX-7 FD is really nice. The aero kit looks beautiful.
The colors.
Yeah. The front of it kind of looks a little bit like a Corvette, like that kind of intake style. But then the lights and everything throws it off. It's very interesting, this aero kit actually. I like it a lot. The yellow is also great. Very nice. Nice wing too. Excuse me, sir. Sir? I think the truck that you're towing is bigger than the truck that you're using, bro. Sir? Sir? I don't think you're meant to be towing a truck bigger than you. So we just waited for how long? Like an hour and a half, 2 hours for drifting. No drifting tonight. It's nearly 12:30. So we're gonna call it quits here and probably head home. But tell me in the comment section, what was your favorite car that you saw here tonight? May, what was your favorite car?
AE86.
AE86? I don't think we saw an AE86. You mean a GT86?
Sorry.
GT86, right?
AE86.
Alright.
I learned something new about the namings of the Toyotas. It's a bit weird.
It is a bit weird, like the JZA80s, like the JZAAs, and then the JZX, and then the AEs and the GTs, yeah. She's trying to learn her models.
Yes.
But she shouldn't be learning Toyota models from me. I'm more of a Nissan model guy.
Yeah, bad senpai.
Bad senpai, that's definitely right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. Smash the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next time. Peace out. Jamata.